Another example of this type of data collection in the operations phases of buildings is a prototype of a platform that we developed here at NUS campus, focused on the SDE4 building, which you guys have learned a little bit about already. And what we did in the SDE4 building was we created what's called the learning trail. So there's a group of facilities management, energy managers, and planners that were involved in creating. We wanted to create this means of people being able to walk around the building and learn about the building in a digital way. And so the learning trail was created. It's a progressive web app. You can see an example here of 2 screenshots of that. And this was launched with the SDE4 building, as you can see here. We had some important people visit in January of 2019 to tour and open the building. And you can see here, this is the first few users using a phone to scan a QR code to learn about the building itself. So what it is actually there's 6 categories of sustainability and wellness related features in the building that we wanted the people to learn about. And each of these categories is then divided into different what's called stations, physical stations. And each station is physically in the building, has a QR code in which people can scan that QR code and learn about the whatever feature that is. In this case, it was biophilic design. And then at the same time, we have little pop-ups that ask certain questions about how the person might be feeling. Would they prefer it to be cooler or warmer? How's the lighting? How's the noise? And these are different. This is basically a way that we can collect data from the building, from these sort of passive users in this case, to understand how well the building is performing or whether there needs to be changes made. And you can, on this website, you can kind of see the different categories. I'm not going to go into these in detail, but you can actually see some of the content that the actual people on the learning trail see when they go on the trail, so you can learn more about the building itself and some of the features. And you can also check out some of the upcoming publications, which I'll put some links to this video, which show what we use the data that we collect from the occupants for, essentially. In addition to the learning trail, there's another platform called Cozy. Cozy is an application that you can install on smartwatches made by Fitbit. And this application allows people to also give that type of feedback. And we use this platform to run various experiments in buildings on campus. And we ask people different types of questions about how they may be feeling, what their preferences are. And then once this data is collected, you can use Python or JavaScript or other programming languages to extract data that's being collected from that platform. So please check out this platform and this website. We've done a couple studies here in Singapore. This is a few people from my research team which are working on this. This is another example of how to create and collect these type of data in a scalable way.